We work to have free time, and we fight to live peacefully. One learns to speak for 2 years and then to be silent for the rest of one's life. Intelligence consists not only in knowledge, but also in the ability to put knowledge to work. There has never yet been a great mind without an admixture of madness. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Selfishness consists not in loving oneself, but in loving oneself more than one should. Rhetoric is the ability to find possible ways of persuasion concerning every given subject. Clarity is the chief virtue of speech. Some people save as if they were to live forever. Others spend as if they were to die at once. A generous person is one who gives the right person the right thing at the right time. A friend is one soul living in 2 bodies. Friend to all is no one's friend. Habit is second nature. He who rules over the passions is not the one who abstains from them at all, but the one who uses them as one steers a ship or a horse, that is, directs them to where they are needed and useful. The good everywhere depends on the observance of 2 conditions, the right establishment of the final goals and the finding of appropriate means leading to the final goal. To the question of how students could succeed, he replied, "Catch up with those who are ahead and not wait for those who are behind." Nurturing, he said, is the best preparation for old age. To live means to desire for another that which one considers to be good, and to desire not for one's own sake but for the sake of the one whom one loves, and to endeavor, if possible, to bring him that good. Only music has the power to shape character. Through music you can teach yourself to develop the right feelings. He who moves ahead in knowledge but lags behind in morals goes more backward than forward. Anyone can be angry, this is easy, but to be angry with the right person, as much as and when one needs to be angry, and for the right reason, and in the right way, this is not for everyone.